Girl Studio. We're going to continue with Curl Confessions. So I'm here with Candy, and I'm going to ask her what's the number one tip that you could share with people about your curls that's helped you. Just the best one that comes top of mind.
The products you have recommended for my hair, bar none, are awesome.
Oh, amazing. Okay.
Yeah.
And then when it comes to routine, what has made it easier for you? Is there anything that's made it easier, or?
I think my curls are better when I leave the products in. I would put the products in and then I'd either wash them out or I'd blow dry, and you taught me to leave them in. It's totally different.
And so what we're doing with her, we're going to follow her journey, because I took pictures today as she's trying to go natural. So she's going to be the hottest, sexiest, platinum blonde when we're finished with her, but she's going to just do an express cut today. Or not, so I'll share the after pictures. Again, Adina from Curly Girl Studio.